Hey guys, it's Sunday around, I don't know, 5, 6, and I went, like I do most Sundays, looking for plants. I got a bunch of pots. My mom and I went to the Salvation Army, like actual 2 locations, and I love getting plant pots from there because, as you know, if you have plants, the pots are so expensive. No need to go broke over plant pots. You can always thrift them. I mainly thrift them from either like thrift stores. Sorry, it's so windy and my hair has been blowing everywhere. Or Salvation Army. That seems to be the cheapest. Of course, if you hit a lick, like at garage sales, it's probably even cheaper, but I don't really do much of that. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a little car plant haul. I just bought them and I'm sitting in the car still. So the first one, let me see, I'll turn this around. The first one is this one, and my car is pretty junky, so just ignore that. It's the Alocasia, can you see that? California. And I thought it was so beautiful. I got this from Home Depot, and it's a little dark. It's very shadowy in here, but you kind of get the drift of the plant. It just looks like a wild plant to me. It's beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna plant it in the ground or in a pot. Probably in a pot so I can just bring it in. I live in Oklahoma and it gets really warm, really hot during the summer, but the winters are pretty cold. And it's not something that can withstand a lot of heat, a lot of coldness, I mean. This one right here, I've been wanting this little bitty one for a while. I don't know why I didn't just buy it. It's a snake plant, and I love this one. That foliage is a pretty color. And so it's gonna go perfectly in the pots that I can pick one of several pots that I bought for this little guy. So very excited about it. And it was $6. It was $4.98. It's right there. This one, by the way, if I forgot to mention, was $10. What else did I get? I think I got just 3 more. Did I buy something from Lowe's? Where did I go? I think I just went to Home Depot and Reezers, actually. So this one I got from Reezers, and it was like $3.98, and it is a sweet potato vine. I've never had one. I cannot wait to, I'm gonna put this in with an arrangement. I don't know of what. I'll have to just look and see what else I have and make a pretty little arrangement in one of my bigger pots with this. I think it's perfect for like a filler. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. I am kind of a plant virgin. Even though I have a lot of plants, I've only been collecting them for, I don't know, a couple of years. For years, I only had like 3 plants. And so I'm still kind of a baby with this stuff. But I have never gotten this. They have this in other colors as well. I mean, guys, get on this sweet potato vine. It's really beautiful. And what else we got in here? Oh, this one is also a sweet potato vine in this beautiful dark color. This is just gorgeous. Very cute. I think it's like medium to full sun. Plant in full sun, it says. But they weren't being sold in full sun. It was kind of a lot of shade. So I think it'll do well with part sun as well. So, because I have a pretty shady yard, so it'll have to. It'll be fine. If not, I'll just move it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. So that's that. And I think this one was $2.98. I don't really remember. but I think it was $2.98, and this one was $2.98 as well. And it is a premium petunia. And look at this petunia color. I've not seen this one before. It's like a purple and cream. It is just gorgeous. I love this one. I love petunias anyway. And this color scheme is gorgeous. So this is everything all together. Not that they're gonna go together, but they could. That's actually not bad. It's pretty cute. But yeah, guys, that's all. And actually, let me show you one more thing. I look crazy, but we'll just do this anyway. This is on the side of my garage. I was looking at how cute, I don't know, it just looks wild on the side of it. And just like a month ago, there was basically none. Here we go. See, this is the area, and I'm pretty sure there's poison ivy over here. So I have to be really careful. I'm really allergic to it, actually. But yeah, a couple of these plants or weeds look really cool. Like, I like that. I like that one. This one's pretty cool. And which other one? This is really cool there. That's pretty cool. Looks like lettuce or something. I don't know what that is. I'm taking a foraging class. That's cool. It's so much to learn about how to forage, what's poisonous, how to tell. Yada, yada, yada. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. I knew I was forgetting plants. I had two in my back seat from Lowe's. I knew I went to Lowe's. I had a long pause because I actually forgot. I don't know, camera shy, but I believe I got 3 plants. Yeah, this one right here is it is a Syngonium podophyllum, and it's a low light plant. Very pretty. I've never had one before, but I've always seen it. I always wanted to pick it up. I just never did. You can't buy everything at once, but really glad I got it. And it was $5.98. This one, ivy plant right here, was also $5.98. And I don't, what type of ivy is it? I don't know. Hedera helix. So many different types of ivies. They're easy to keep alive. They're very beautiful, and they're great indoor plants. Yeah. What else did I get? One more. Oh, this little cactus right here. This little guy. It's like a dinosaur back. What is it called? Optunla subulata cristata. Oh, I feel like I'm a Greek god saying something like that, but anyway, I think it's just awesome. I call it my dinosaur back. Yeah, so we'll get that planted. I've got a lot of planting to do, but as you can see, I mean, I have flowers everywhere. This is just a portion on my little back porch. But yeah, guys, I knew I left something out, but other than that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.